Hey guys, Prayer back here for another video, and this is not the usual type of video that you'll see me doing, but this is just a PC build video, and these are my parts. It'll be all be labeled above them, right about now. So yeah, you see, they're all mostly very low-end parts compared to all the say PCs I have. Yeah. So yeah, okay, first starting this off, I have the P8 B75-M LE. This is M80X board to fit this case. Yep, and some screws are flying off. Probably this is not, the other hard drive is not relevant anymore. It's pretty old. So that's a Intel Pentium G2130. It's for LGA. These two are the same. So it's 4 gigs of RAM. It's just some random RAM. Yeah. And this is a 640 G4. I'm gonna get the 650, but it's just didn't cut it. Yeah, because actually it did cut the power requirements, but it didn't really much. Because I didn't have much of this. Yeah, I did these connectors. I only had one. Don't think I have a second one. So yeah, because those are for the PC. So yeah. So these are really small little takes of the video of how I'm building. And yep. Oh yeah, that's 500 gigs. 500 gigs. So yep, let the building begin.
Just smoke and sip that drink, baby. Yeah. Later I work that thing, baby. Yeah. Slow jams, I'll make you sing, baby. Okay, don't take your eyes out of my sight. I know that you're tired of all of these fellas. I'll make an impression tomorrow. You say what a night, what a night. What a night, what a night we had. Oh, like shit got me saying, goddamn it, you arch your back, made it bend like whoa, keep it true, no lie, keep it gold, North Boss, my bitch, keep it cold, so pack that ball, keep one roll, young Zab straight spitting you that daylight soul. How he so deadly with that laid back flow, shit, the shit is heavy, boy, that's all I know. Wait Timmy's and some rip raw denim getting ripped, young Ville's taking rips off that ball, time flies while my gold links and ticks. When we kick it with the click, you already know son, yeah, son, boy, son with it. Swear your bitch, yeah, she's so with it. Comfy season, comfy with chick before she catch feelings. High like ceiling, she ride like civics. This blunt so twisted like word. Giving her what she deserves. Does she give me that dessert like woo? And she coming back for seconds, she already know what's good, cause I make her finish first. It's the type of shit we vibing to. Type of shit we smoking to.
Mr. Pop.
GMV, K thanks, what's up? Doug Rose, what's up? Matt D, what's up? Yeah. Pioneers, what's up? Vancouver, what's up? Yeah. Let it vibe, let it vibe. Yeah. take a look at our canvas. Take a glance at the vision we painted. That kind of life I was sure they won't hand us. So we took it in our own hands and we claimed it. Used to climb these fences and roofs, and now it's still me and still my old crew. Remember those bottle rockets and fights, and now it's hotels and balcony views will fade late into the night. Recall those broken hearts and those empty seats, but we'll celebrate until we cab it home and stop at the spots that got us to dream. Now we here, suited up, never plan to fall down. Brothers in a huddle from a small town, the same two that made trouble, doubled up the work to make them all proud.
See, I'm just trying to find my melody. They sent me on my way. All these uphills and downtime, I've learned from my mistakes. They say to leave the clock running, I tell them it's my time. What's a past with no phantoms? What's a journey with no climb?
So I say this one's for the years that made us who we are. Gunning for the stars, we gon' finish what we started. I say this one's for the nights we crave the dream we followed. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make them all say bravo. Tonight, 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 tonight. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make them all say bravo. Tonight, 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 tonight. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make them all say bravo.
So we got our eyes on the prize, eyes blindfolded, soft spoken, trying to stay golden. Rose petals broken, wound stays open. If time heals, I'll keep the ball rolling. It's my destiny, no Kelly Rowland. Short-handed crew, no Gary Coleman. Swear it's a long way home from the end of the road, but the road was carefully chosen for that room full of Beyonce's. Decade on beyond. High reps, I'm pushing gold plates, I'm pushing my faith, I'm playing my cards right, cause life without risk ain't living. Maximize the blessings you're given. Karma's a bitch, sins are forgiven. They all just beginners, this be our beginning. See, I'm just trying to find my melody. They sent me on my way. All these uphills and downtime, I've learned from my mistakes. They say to leave the clock running, I tell them it's my time. What's a past with no phantoms? What's a journey with no climb?
So I say this one's for the years that made us who we are. Gunning for the stars, we gon' finish what we started. I say this one's for the nights we crave the dream we followed. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make them all say bravo. Tonight, 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 tonight. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make them all say bravo. Tonight, 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 tonight. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make them all say bravo. Tonight.
One time for the dream that we stay for, two times for the lights that we're made for. One time for the dream that we stay for, two times for the lights that we're made for. One time for the dream that we stay for, two times for the lights that we're made for. One time for the dream that we stay for, two times for the lights that we're made for.
Young nights, old friends, good company, good memories. Two fingers up for my enemies, from one love for my own. Through these past nights, new friends, old loves, we stayed up. Two fingers up for these breakups, and one love for my own.
I'm just trying to find my melody. They sent me on my way. All these uphills and downtime, I've learned from my mistakes. They say to leave the clock running, I tell them it's my time. What's a past with no phantoms? What's a journey with no climb?
So I say this one's for the years that made us who we are. Gunning for the stars, we gon' finish what we started. I say this one's for the nights we crave the dream we followed. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make them all say bravo. I say this one's for the years that made us who we are. Gunning for the stars, we gon' finish what we started. I say this one's for the nights we crave the dream we followed. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make them all say bravo. Tonight, tonight, yeah. Let it vibe. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make them all say bravo. Tonight, fist voice to pinstripes, yeah. Fist voice to pinstripes, damn. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make them all say bravo. Tonight.
Let it vibe. From fist fights to pinstripes, from fist fights to pinstripes, yeah.
Fist voice to pinstripes, yeah. Fist voice to pinstripes, damn.
Fist fights to pinstripes, from fist fights to pinstripes, yeah.
needs a fresh coat. Pick your color, blue or white, whatever it is, gotta set the mood right. Got my hardware, let's put in work. Old hat, old jeans, no t-shirt. Before I know it, it's all on the floor. Cause I just wanna do you in the paint. I wanna make love to you in the place. I rolling around in the mess that we made, brushing and stroking the best sex we made. Now I'm putting it in your hair, and you're rubbing it on everywhere. I just wanna do you in the paint. Girl, don't be shy, I know you ain't. Cause I just wanna.
You fell for an artist, call me Van Gogh. Now you like to touch your color to my blank walls. Now your ex tripping like, girl, answer your damn calls. Tell him that you got a new bond, cause we in it till the sky falls down. Under white sheets like it's wintertime. Lingerie on, it's like you telling me it's dinner time already. Acting like it's all business, but you down to play. Paralegal asking me to fuck you like you Rachel Zane. Whoa, let me take a step back, adore it. Soak in the moment, what you have's a talent. No paintbrush or palette can recreate you, but I don't mind painting us too. What's up? Sing it.
Saturday, I wanna know why I'm still wearing all of them clothes. Living room, purple walls. I got a secret for you underneath my overalls. About to give you a rush. Show you, baby, I know how to work a paintbrush. You're my canvas, so I'ma sign my name. Cause I just wanna do you in the paint. I wanna make love to you in the place. I rolling around in the mess that we made, brushing and stroking the best sex we made. Now I'm putting it in your hair, and you're rubbing it on everywhere. I just wanna do you in the paint. Oh, but don't be shy, no you ain't.
Cause I just wanna. Don't try and fuck me about. I just wanted to paint you.
You keep it color-coded all the way down to your toes, right? Red lips killer, call you Marilyn Monroe. Lotus flower bomb, but you something like a rose, right? Next top model, where you striking up a pose. Damn, you a keeper, right? And I don't even care if you get that paint all up on my sneakers. We got the playlist straight bumping through the speakers, cause you don't want the neighbors to hear us. Girl, we can paint the town right. No Bonnie and Clyde with 4 bottles of wine, still keep my eyes on the prize. I've been thinking about forever. Wait, that's a lot more like tonight. Let me show you set up front that I'm your type. So what's up? Come on.
Paintbrush, get buckets and layups. Trying to get a taste of you, I'ma make you say.
Oh shit.
Spend time chasing with that dinner wine. Punk your ticket fine. By the end, I'ma make you say.
Oh shit.
Come through, hit me with that 1-2. I'm someone you can run to. Hard to get, I'll make you say.
Oh shit.
Toasting, that just be provoking. That look, I get lost and I'll hit it in the
Cause I just wanna do you in the paint.
I wanna make love to you in the place. I rolling around in the mess that we made,
Brushing and stroking the best sex we made. Now I'm putting it in your hair,
and you're rubbing it on everywhere.
I just wanna do you in the paint. Girl, don't be shy, I know you hate.